T-minus 14 days and about 18 hours until I move back to Minnesota. What is up, beautiful people? We are back with our regular scheduled vlogs today. So I am planning to go thrift shopping. I'm going to be leaving pretty soon. I've been really wanting to go for a while, so I am really excited. I feel like I always find such unique pieces when I thrift shop, and actually some of my favorite things in my closet are thrifted. Like this flannel here that I'm wearing, this one is thrifted and I freaking love it. I also wanted to try out a recipe for protein coffee because I saw a recipe on Pinterest and it looked really good, so I thought we would try it out. So yeah, I want to do that, and then I also kind of want to have like a little self-care night tonight because I'm about to be on my period. I've been having cramps like horribly, so I kind of just want to have a little chill self-care moment tonight. So those are the plans for today, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I need to give you guys a little outfit of the day because Ari actually styled me today. I asked him to because I just thought it'd be fun if he picked out what I was wearing, since I don't know, sometimes I have trouble deciding what to wear, so I was like, I'll leave it up to you. And this is what he came up with. I actually really vibe with it. It's very like edgy and cute. So we got this cute crop shirt with some rips in it. It has some rips over here too. It's from Fashion Nova. And then he paired it with this thrifted flannel that I have that's like a darker shade of green. I like the matchiness, definitely my vibe. And then we also have some Fashion Nova low-waisted shorts. I love these shorts. They're super cool. I mean, like, they're not my absolute favorite because I don't know, just like the ruffles in the back, they get like a little messed up, which is kind of annoying, but we're covering the booty today with the flannel, so it's okay, it's okay. And then to finish it off, we just have some Air Forces. Of course, I actually really like it. I feel like Ari did a good job, so you know, go Ari. So I made a little list of what I want to look for at the thrift store. So we have jean shorts, button-ups, flannels, heels, crop tops, graphic tees. We will see how lucky I get. Hopefully I find some of these. That would be pretty cool. I just love how much money you can save when you thrift, and you also just find like the coolest pieces. So here's hoping that we actually find some. I do have like several thrift stores near me, so hopefully, you know, some of them turn up with some good stuff.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine.
We are at our second thrift store, and I'm trying on some shorts that I found. They're kind of like the ones I was wearing, but they have like a cool pattern on them. They're very low-waisted, but they're actually pretty cute. They're only $3, so might have to cop. We're at our third thrift store. I found a few things that I want to try out, so we will see. Hopefully some of them are cute.
What life about? Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah.
Can I get a single crunchy taco? Finally made it home from thrift shopping. We were gone for a couple hours, so I am exhausted. Thrifting is kind of a lot of work. You really gotta sort through everything, and it just takes a lot of time, but I did find some cute things, so I will do a little haul after I have some lunch because I'm so freaking hungry. Ari and I picked up some Chipotle on the way home. This looks very messy because I had to shake it up, but I want to tell you guys what my regular Chipotle order is. So I get white rice with chicken, no beans, and then I do mild with sour cream, but I get light sour cream, extra corn, extra lettuce, and then I think that's it. That's everything that I get, and it is freaking delicious. And then I also have some chips on the side. Ari and I just split a bag of chips, and I use it as like a little scoop, and it's literally so good.
Exist. So whatever happens to you happens only to you. Which means I can kill your ass and no one else has to die. Although I am still debating just how to do it. I recommend drowning.
Just kidding, I'm actually gonna do the haul after I make my protein coffee. This should be interesting. I don't know how this is gonna taste, but hopefully it comes out good. It's basically like a normal coffee recipe, but you just add protein powder instead. Not instead, I meant to say as well. So I'm just gonna be using this PE Science chocolate cupcake protein powder, some almond milk, and then I also have some cold brew in here. We're gonna put it in the blender and then I will just put some ice in after, but yeah, pretty simple. So hopefully it turns out good. Alright, we're gonna give it a taste test. It's very foamy, so I'm excited. Wait. It's actually pretty fire. Oh my gosh. That was actually a really good recipe because it still tastes like coffee, but it has like hints of chocolate. So, wow. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Like, it's really good. All right, starting off the thrift haul, we have a jean skirt. I got this mini black jean skirt because I just recently watched Transformers with Ari, and Megan Fox is just rocking this jean skirt. She looks so good. So that inspired me to get one of my own, and I actually have another one that I got, so I'll show you guys that one right after this, but it is super cute. Okay, here's the other skirt. It's a little bit bigger on my waist, but I don't mind. I think it looks really good, and it is a little longer than the other one as well, and it's an acid wash, but I still think it's really cute. It's got little like distressing going on at the bottom. It's different than the other one, but I feel like I can work both of them and create some cute looks with it. I'm imagining these skirts with like maybe a leather jacket and just like a black crop top or something. I feel like that'd be like really edgy and cute. So I'm excited to style these. Next up, we have a cool graphic tee. I love finding cool graphic tees when I'm thrifting, so I just had to get this one. It's super edgy. Obviously, I don't motorcycle, that you guys know of. I'm just kidding. But I just thought it was really cute. It says life behind bars, so you know, it's very edgy, and I just thought it was cool. Might just end up sleeping in it, but you never know. It might be a cute undershirt with something. Here's a better look at it in case I didn't do a good job in the last clip, but yeah, it's a vibe. Here is my last thrift shop find. It's definitely something that I normally wouldn't buy, but for some reason I was very compelled to get it. It's just very soft and like cozy. I thought it would be nice in the winter, just like to throw on in the morning. Obviously I do have to wear shorts with it because it's pretty short, but I feel like it would also be kind of cute with some boots and maybe some, just ignore my mismatched socks, okay? I didn't want to show them, but now you saw them. My first thought was to make this more edgy, so I was thinking black boots with some black tights or fishnets. I don't know, like I don't know how that's actually gonna look, but in my head it looks really good, so I'll have to try it out sometime. Again, here is a better look at the color and everything. I feel like you can see it a little better in the sunlight than in my mirror, but I just thought these were cute colors, so. Whoops, I lied guys, I forgot about these shorts because I put them on under my sweatshirt, so I just totally forgot about them. But these are the shorts that I showed you guys at the thrift store, and they just have like a cool pattern on them. It's like 3D, I can feel the pattern on it, and it just, I don't know, they're really cute. Very low-waisted, so I'm not feeling very good right now because I just had Chipotle and my coffee. So yeah, we're just gonna put that down. But, you know, they're very cute. They remind me of the shorts that I was wearing earlier, so I really like them. I like the color and the pattern, and I like that they're a bit shorter because I like short shorts. I just wanted to show you guys the pattern up close. It's pretty cute, and they're only $3. No, they actually were $1.50. They were on sale. Like, what? How is this on sale? Okay, so before I can start my self-care night, I need to get some work done for my small business. So I'm just going to enjoy the rest of my protein coffee. I just want to say that this is freaking amazing. I had some like extra. It actually made a lot. So I gave some to Ari and he loved it too. So I would highly recommend trying it out. It was super easy to make. So very good, very good. So good. It's kind of like a chocolate mocha. So, all right, BRP guys, I'm in work mode now, so I will see you in a bit.
Crazy, crazy.
Nala, do you want to play with the laser pointer? Go get it. Nala, over here. You blind person. Come here. Nala. Look at the ground. Are you blind? Oh my. Aw. So cute. Finally starting my self-care night. I got a little carried away with some work, but I'm making some dinner. We're roasting some chickpeas and barbecue right now. And then I'm gonna do a little side salad with lettuce, tomatoes, some, what is this, goat cheese. We got sauerkraut, some microgreens, and I think that's it. Gonna be yummy. Okay, you cannot tell me this doesn't look so fire. I just wanted something super healthy for dinner, and this looks so good. Wow, I love it. So colorful. And I just wanted something without too many carbs since I had like that Chipotle earlier. So I just did a side salad, and yeah, this looks amazing. I just took off all of my makeup and washed my face. And now I'm gonna do a face mask because I honestly haven't done one in a while. I don't know why, I just keep forgetting to. So I thought tonight would be perfect. I'm going to be using this Dead Sea mud mask that I got off of Amazon. I really like it. It just helps like detoxify your skin, helps with acne. It's also a pore reducer, so I really like it. Also guys, hello. Why is my skin looking so good? I've been like keeping up with my skincare every single night. I'm doing my whole routine like so consistently. I just do it no matter what, do the whole thing, and it's like really paying off. So I'm freaking hyped. I think I'm gonna knock down some dishes while I let this set in because good way to multitask. Time is just flying by today. It's already 11:10. Like, what? I don't even know. It just got so late so quickly. But I am getting pretty tired, so I'm probably gonna get to bed. Ari and I are just gonna watch some YouTube videos before we go to bed. But I just did my full skincare routine, so feeling nice and clean. I just need to change into some pajamas. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I feel like we had a really good day, so I'm really happy about that. Found some cute things at the thrift store, which is cool. Found out about protein coffee. Like, I will definitely be making that again. It was so good. It was like a dessert coffee, but super healthy because it's literally just protein powder and coffee. So that is just awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.